We were sent this juicer for our review and I literally just opened it out of the box. I have always wanted a juicer, but I've always just kind of been intimidated because they're always so big and I don't have the counter space. This one is nice and compact, and everything that I've seen, it works really well, so I'm excited to try it. I do love that you just have these two separate pieces here, and as you can see in the front, they just lock into place, so it's really easy just to twist off for cleaning purposes and get you started. So that is a bonus. Let's lock it in there. And then the front here, you have your off, you have your on, and then this one here is reverse, and you just hold it in place. Like if anything gets stuck in there and it's not spinning, you just hold it for a couple seconds and it'll change the direction and kind of loosen up whatever may be stuck. So we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna juice these oranges and see what happens. They do have a really nice opening here at the top, which is really great because you don't have to cut your fruit. Of course, if you have something with a peel, like the oranges, you're going to take that peel off, but other than that, we're just gonna plop them in there whole, which is really nice because it's gonna save you all that prep time. On the side, you have two spouts here, and this one is for your juice, and they give you a really nice juice cup here so you can measure how many milliliters you get. So that's gonna go under here on this side, and then this side they give you another cup, and this is for all your leftover pulp, and that's just gonna come right out of there. They also give you a nice spatula to scrape the inside if needed, and you have a really nice brush as well to help you clean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try. Ooh, the other cool thing I forgot to mention, so as I said, nice and big, you can just plop it in here, or you can close the lid and put smaller fruits and veggies in here. And this, of course, is to help you push it down. As you can see, you've got these nice little plastic spikes here to really get you some grip in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead, let's start with one because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And one thing I did notice, look at that, it is on, hasn't started yet until you actually close this. So that is a really great feature to have. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna push it down. Look at that go. I probably need to add more than one, but oh, look at all the juice down here. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. Whoa, look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so then that's all the pulp coming out. That's all because I personally prefer my orange juice without pulp. I am like absolutely shocked right now. Look at this. And then you just push that up and look, it pushes it forward. Look at all of that pulp that I don't want to drink. I'm going to go ahead and close this so it's not dripping all over the place. And you know what? We're just going to take a sip right out of here. I just like made fresh orange juice. This is so cool, so quick, so efficient. I cannot wait for all the juices I'm going to be making.